Hey everyone, we all need protein. It's like a building block for our bodies. Protein helps us grow strong muscles and have lots of energy and stay healthy. We get protein from many different foods. It's important to eat enough protein every day, but it can be confusing to know which protein sources are best. Don't worry, we'll explore different protein types and how to include them in your meals. Let's get cooking. Animal protein comes from animals. Think about tasty chicken, juicy beef, and fresh fish. These foods are packed with protein. They also give us important vitamins like vitamin B12 and iron. Eggs and dairy products like milk and yogurt are also animal proteins. They're good sources of calcium for strong bones. However, some animal products can be high in saturated fat. Choose lean meats and low-fat dairy to stay healthy. Remember, everything in moderation. You don't have to eat meat to get protein. Plants have protein too. In fact, many plant-based foods are excellent sources of protein and can easily meet your dietary needs. Let's explore some of these amazing plant-based protein sources. Beans, lentils, chickpeas and peas are full of it. These legumes are not only rich in protein, but also provide essential vitamins and minerals. They are versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes, from soups and stews to salads and dips. They're also packed with fiber, which helps us feel full and keeps our digestion happy. Fiber is crucial for maintaining a healthy gut and can aid in weight management by promoting a feeling of fullness. Including beans and lentils in your diet can contribute to overall well-being. Tofu, tempeh, and edamame are made from soybeans. These soy-based products are fantastic sources of protein and can be used in a variety of culinary applications. Tofu, for instance, can be grilled, stir-fried, or even blended into smoothies for a protein boost. They're great meat alternatives and can be used in stir-fries, curries, or salads. Tempeh, with its firm texture, is perfect for grilling or adding to sandwiches, while edamame makes a delicious and nutritious snack or appetizer. Nuts and seeds also contain protein and healthy fats. These tiny powerhouses are packed with nutrients and can be easily incorporated into your diet. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are just a few examples of nuts and seeds that can enhance your meals. Add them to your breakfast cereal or enjoy them as a snack. They can also be blended into smoothies, sprinkled on salads, or used as a crunchy topping for yogurt. The possibilities are endless, and they add a delightful texture and flavor to your dishes. Go green for your protein. Incorporating a variety of plant-based protein sources into your diet not only supports your health, but also benefits the environment. So, next time you're planning your meals, remember that plants can provide all the protein you need. Section 4, Alternative Proteins, Bugs and Beyond. Looking for something different, insects are a great source of protein. They're eaten all over the world. Don't be grossed out. Crickets and mealworms can be ground into flour or added to protein bars. Scientists are also developing lab-grown meat. It's made from animal cells, so it tastes like real meat, but without harming animals. These new protein sources can be good for the planet. Keep an open mind and try new things. Section 5. How much protein do you need? Protein is an essential nutrient that plays a crucial role in building and repairing tissues, producing enzymes and hormones, and supporting overall health. But how much protein do you really need? We all need different amounts of protein. The amount of protein you need can vary greatly depending on several factors. It depends on our age, how active we are, and if we have any health conditions. For example, older adults may need more protein to help maintain muscle mass and strength as they age. Growing kids and teenagers need more protein to build strong bones and muscles. During periods of growth, their bodies are constantly building new tissues, which requires a higher protein intake. Active people who exercise regularly also need more protein to repair and build muscle. Whether you're a runner, a weightlifter, or a yoga enthusiast, your muscles undergo wear and tear during exercise, and protein helps in the recovery process. If you have any health conditions, talk to your doctor about your protein needs. Certain medical conditions, such as kidney disease or diabetes, can affect how your body processes protein. They can give you personalized advice. Your doctor can help you determine the right amount of protein for your specific health needs and lifestyle. Listen to your body and eat accordingly. Pay attention to how you feel after eating protein-rich foods. Your body often gives you signals about what it needs. Eating a balanced diet that includes a variety of protein sources can help you meet your nutritional needs and support your overall health. Section 6. Protein on your plate. Easy meal ideas. Incorporating more protein into your meals is easy. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, making enzymes and hormones, and it's a crucial building block of bones, muscles, cartilage, skin, and blood. Start your day with scrambled eggs. Eggs are a fantastic source of high-quality protein and contain essential vitamins and minerals. They are quick to prepare and can be customized with your favorite vegetables and spices, or Greek yogurt with fruit and nuts. Greek yogurt is rich in protein and probiotics, which are beneficial for your gut health. Adding fruits and nuts not only enhances the flavor but also provides additional nutrients and fiber. For lunch, try a lentil soup. Lentils are a great plant-based protein source and are packed with iron and folate. They are also high in fiber, which helps in maintaining a healthy digestive system. Or a salad with grilled chicken or chickpeas. Grilled chicken is lean and packed with protein, while chickpeas are a versatile legume that can be added to various dishes. Both options are nutritious and satisfying. Dinner can be a delicious salmon fillet with roasted vegetables. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are good for your heart. Pair it with a variety of roasted vegetables for a balanced and colorful meal. Or a chickpea curry with brown rice. Chickpeas are not only high in protein but also in fiber, making them a great addition to your diet. Brown rice adds a whole grain component, providing additional nutrients and a satisfying texture. Snack on nuts, hard-boiled eggs, or a small handful of edamame. Nuts are a convenient and nutritious snack, providing healthy fats and protein. Hard-boiled eggs are easy to prepare and can be eaten on the go. Edamame is a young soybean that is high in protein and fiber, making it a perfect snack option. Get creative in the kitchen and experiment with different protein sources. Try incorporating tofu, tempeh, or quinoa into your meals. These plant-based proteins are versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes, from stir-fries to salads. Enjoy your delicious and nutritious meals. Eating a balanced diet with a variety of protein sources can help you stay healthy and energized. So, have fun exploring new recipes and flavors and make every meal a delightful experience. Section 7. Choose protein wisely. Choosing the right protein is important for our health and the planet. Animal protein can be delicious and nutritious, but it's good to enjoy it in moderation. Plant-based proteins are good for you and better for the environment. Alternative proteins like insects and lab-grown meat are becoming more popular. They can be sustainable and nutritious options. Listen to your body, think about your health goals, and make informed choices about the protein you eat. Bon appétit!